What are the causes behind Porsche flooded engine issues in Simi Valley? Internal combustion engine of Porsche is highly dependent on the correct air-fuel mixture. If the engine is provided a very rich air-fuel mixture, then it can't be ignited by the spark plug. The mixture splashes the spark plug and engine cylinder, make the combustion distressed. When it happens, the mixture exceeding the upper explosive limit of fuel and causes flooded engine issues. The following points define the causes behind flooded engine issues in your Porsche. Damaged fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are used for injecting fuel under high pressure into the combustion chamber. When damaged, it will produce a thin stream of fuel and leads to flooding the engine. Rich of air, fuel mixture. In your Porsche, too much fuel in the air-fuel mixture will cause a flooded engine. Generally, a rich mixture in cars with a carburetor may be caused by the faulty fuel injectors, faulty engine control unit, bad O2 and MAF sensors, worn-out spark plugs. If the spark plugs are worn out, they won't produce an instantaneous strong spark. This will lead to a flooded engine as the air-fuel mixture won't be ignited at all. Bad carburetor. Carburetor mixes air and fuel to produce the proper mixture for the combustion engine. If the carburetor is failed, then it will cause a very rich mixture and a flooded engine. Issues in the ignition system. Apart from the spark plugs, the ignition system parts also cause flooded engines, such as cables, ignition coils, sensors, connections, ECU unit, distributors. It may cause a weak spark, means the mixture that enters the combustion chamber doesn't ignite. A lot of cranking and gas pedal pumping will not solve the problem of a flooded engine. When it happens, you have to consult a reputed mechanic for inspecting the engine. Visit us.